the shore where the silver boats come and go, you'll find ebb and flow. The tide may be high or low, the sun has a golden glow. This way where the silver boats come and go, you know, you can always find ebb and flow. One morning, Ma gave Flo a present. What could it be? Open it and find out. Oh, he's beautiful. Thanks, Ma. I thought it was about time we got rid of your old bear. But I've had old Ted since I was a baby. He's falling apart, he's dirty, and he stinks of seaweed. I know, but give him to me, sweetheart. Bye, Ted. I'll miss you. Flo was sad, and so was Ebb. She loved old Ted. And new Ted just didn't smell right. Flo and Bird took new Ted to see the boatyard. These are fishing nets. And over there is the lighthouse. Flo seemed to have forgotten all about old Ted, but Ebb hadn't. After lunch, we'll show new Ted the beach. What's that noise? What have you got there, Ebb? Ebb? Ebb had a secret, and she wasn't showing anyone. Ebb? Bird so wanted Ebb to play with her. But Ebb had other plans. We can't go to the beach yet, Ted. We've got to find out what Ebb's up to first. Ebb, where are you? Ebb. Ebb, please wait. Show me. Oh, Ebb. It was old Ted, looking dirtier and smellier than ever. Everyone went down to the beach and played until tea time. You saved old Ted. He can be your new toy. That evening, new Ted slept on Flo's pillow, and old Ted slept in the ring with Ebb and Bird. Ebb was happy. She didn't mind that old Ted was dirty and falling apart. He had a wonderful smell that reminded her of Flo. Night-night, everyone. Things couldn't be better.